Whenever you submit a research paper, a review, a thesis, or a book chapter, you must remember to get it checked for its similarity and that the work is not plagiarized. And often researchers get confused between the two terms similarity and plagiarism. Therefore, in today's video of Research and Publishing series, we will learn what is similarity and plagiarism and what is the key difference between the two. Similarity, as the word suggests, reflects how much content of your manuscript resembles to the existing online literature. For example, when you write about a method used in your research paper, you might use similar words as written by someone else. Thus, sometimes it is very natural and obvious to write similar words and even sentences even if you do not intend to do so. Similarity detection software such as Turnitin and Authenticate counts for number of words in a stretch or sentence that is similar to one or more published literature source. A similarity score or index detected using these software might be useful to predict or estimate level of plagiarism, but in true sense it does not detect plagiarism. It is only after careful evaluation by the human itself a similar text may be labeled as plagiarism. So the question here is, when does similarity becomes plagiarism and how to avoid it? Plagiarism is intentionally or unintentionally copying someone else's work without citing or acknowledging them. In plagiarism, you try to show others' work as your own by not giving them proper credit. To avoid plagiarism, you must get your document checked for similarity first. And if you find the original source that is worth to be cited or given credit because it is the intellectual property of someone else, you must properly cite it. This way, although your document will show similarity, but it would not be plagiarized because you have properly cited it. Often journals and book publishers do not accept submissions having more than a certain percentage of similarity. And so, what you need to do is paraphrasing or rewriting the content to reduce the similarity score. But personally, I do not find this appropriate, and citing the original literature should be enough to avoid wastage of time in paraphrasing. But this is the way how researchers are expected to write the manuscript. Unlike similarity, plagiarism may invite legal action. Even when you paraphrase someone's idea or work and do not give them proper credit, it will not be counted as similarity, but it is still plagiarized. To sum up, similarity refers to the portion of your text that matches with the existing literature. Plagiarism, on the other hand, refers to showing someone else's work or finding as your own even if you paraphrase but do not cite or acknowledge it. So that's all for the today's video. To learn more about other interesting topics like how to write a research paper, a review, a thesis, how to write a synopsis, how to cite papers, manage references, make posters, choose a suitable journal for publishing, and a lot more, do check out my playlist on research and publishing series. If you have liked the videos, do share it with others. Subscribe to stay informed about my latest uploads. Comment below for your queries and requests. I usually respond to them. Thanks and see you in my next video.